Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. Ipsy is here. Before we unbox this month's glam bag, I just want to say that Ipsy did send me this bag to try. All right, so first we have the little card and it says, it's Glam-O-Ween season, October 2023. Grab your makeup brushes and enter our ultimate Halloween beautyverse if you dare. This year, we've brewed up something special for you. Tons of makeup tutorials, expert tips, product picks, and hair-raising inspiration to help you conquer Halloween like a pro. And then opening up that card, it says Pretty Wicked. Whether you're going full glam or giving minimal effort, here are 6 ways to slay spooky season. All right, so jumping into the glam bag, you guys, I died when I saw this makeup bag, how beautiful it is for the spooky season. Look at the little zipper. Oh my gosh, it's a little bat. And the bats on this makeup bag are like spider webs, if you can see that. And the whole bag itself is like a velvety texture. It's so soft. Love it. Such a cute bag, very vampire-esque. Love it. And for the products in this month's bag, we have the Beauty Crop Eau Cherie Gripping Primer. This is formulated with cherry extract as well as hyaluronic acid. And this is an oil-free makeup gripping gel primer that is super hydrating and makes makeup stay all day. Next in this month's glam bag, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. And here is what the wand looks like. And then it is just a super sleek, simple packaging. Next, we have the Bodyography Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Onyx. And it is just a black pencil. Moving right along is the Pink Lips Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Crystalled Pink. And I do have this on my lips today, and it is so, so pretty. Last but not least in this month's glam bag is the Livido Alert Eye Cream. This is dermatologically tested and for all skin types. And that is it for all of the products inside this month's glam bag. I am absolutely loving this cute, spooky Halloween bag. The Ipsy Glam bag is only $13 a month, and everything inside has a retail value up to $70. You get 5 deluxe beauty samples, and members get to choose one of their products. And you can use my link in the description box below to sign up. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another glam bag to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.